Hello, my name is Victoria Gelbert. I'm currently an assistant principal at Waverly Elementary School in Madison County, Virginia. So I am in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. A little bit about my professional background. I originally went to Longwood University to get my undergraduate degree in elementary education. Then I became a teacher at Waverly Elementary School, where I currently work for a couple years at teaching fifth grade. Then I went back to school. I went to James Madison University and got my master's in administration. After that, I went to the middle school level and I taught STEM for a year. After teaching STEM for a year, I became the assistant principal at the middle school where I was working before returning back where I am now as the assistant principal at Waverly Yale. In Madison County, there are only 4 schools. There's a primary, K2, an elementary 3-5, a middle 6-8, and a high school 9-12. So we are a very small school system. I joined this program because one of my passions as an administrator is meeting with new teachers, giving them strategies, helping them, talking about behavior management, talking about curriculum instruction, and eventually I think I would like to teach at the collegiate level to those prospective teachers and help give them strategies to prepare them for the classroom. A little bit about myself personally. I am married. My husband Wade and I have been married for almost 8 years. We have 2 children. Our daughter Audrey is 4 and our son AJ is 1. If I'm not doing schoolwork, either professionally or USC work, I am hanging out with my children, doing crafts. My daughter and I like crafting together, so it's a fun activity that we do together. Just really spending time at home and spending time with my family is something I enjoy doing. But I look forward to taking this class, and I look forward to working with all my classmates that I've currently had classes with, and I hope you guys have a great semester.